share with you my new inflatable reading product that Amazon just sent me to share with you how it works. This is a product, as you can see, I'm using it with my laptop and can using it to reading a book because this product was made for that. But you can use it too in your playroom to play some games. It's comfortable. You can put so many things here. The size is perfect. As I said, it's inflatable, so it's comfort and you can take an ergonomic posture. This product can be inflated so easy. The process is so easy. You can disinflate it and you can use your wash machine to wash the case for inflatable reading product. So I highly recommend it for your playroom, for your daily activities if you like reading, or if you work so much in your home. I highly recommend this product. See you.